A special case of RH grouping we have to discuss here. A special case of RH incompatibility, that is mismatching, that has been observed between the Rh negative blood of a pregnant mother with the Rh positive blood of the fetus. Okay, Rh antigens of the, so Rh positive blood means which one? In that fetus, the blood, they have the Rh antigen in their RBC. So Rh antigen of the fetus do not get exposed to the Rh negative blood of the mother in the first pregnancy, as the two bloods are separated by placenta. So when the fetus is in the mother's womb, at that time the mother's blood, that is Rh negative, and the fetus blood, which is Rh positive, they will not mix with each other. Clear? Because of they are separated by placenta. But at the during the delivery of the first child, there is a possibility of exposure of the maternal blood to the small amount to the of the Rh positive blood from the fetus. So when at the time of childbirth, Rh positive blood of the fetus mix up with the Rh negative blood of the mother, so at that condition now mother blood, blood of the mother starts preparing antibodies against the Rh antigen in her blood, because in her blood no Rh antigen is present. So as the Rh positive blood enter into the mother's blood, so by getting the presence of Rh antigen there, the mother blood will prepare the antibody against the Rh antigen. In case of her subsequent pregnancy, means second pregnancy, the Rh antibodies from the mother, that is Rh negative, can leak into the blood of the fetus, that is Rh positive, and destroy the fetal RBC. This could be fatal to the fetus or could cause severe anemia and jaundice to the baby. So when second baby ke time, already antibody which is present in the mother blood, and if the second baby also Rh positive, at that condition what is happening, that Rh antibodies are entering into the fetus blood and they are destroying the fetal RBC, because Rh antigen and antibody both are coming together, and that's why they can coagulate with each other, as well as they are destroy the fetal RBCs, and so that will be fatal for the second child hai, for them it is very fatal for that. And this condition is called the erythroblastosis fetalis, means erythrocyte, that is RBC, blastosis means it is destroying, fetalis means fetus. So it is, this condition is called erythroblastosis fetalis. This can be avoided by administering anti-Rh antibodies to the mother immediately after the delivery of the first child. So anti-Rh antibody. So when the father, we can say the father is with Rh positive, father Rh positive and mother Rh negative. तो Rh पॉजिटिव मतलब क्या है कि Rh एंटीजन प्रेजेंट है ब्लड में, Rh नेगेटिव मतलब Rh एंटीजन इज नॉट देयर इन द ब्लड ऑफ मदर, एंड द embryo which is coming, that is coming in the Rh positive. So in embryo, the antigen Rh is present here, whereas in mother blood is not present. So when at the time of childbirth, when this Rh positive is coming in contact with the mother Rh negative, so there already Rh antigen is not present. So due to presence of this Rh antigen, they are producing which one? Antibody of Rh. So Rh antibodies they are producing there. Now in the second issue, this is for first issue, there is no problem for the first issue, but in case of second issue, when again the second issue of Rh positive, so already the antibody is present in the mother body, so antibody will come and destroy this Rh positive, antigen, antibody both are present here, so both will combine and that RBC of the fetus is destroyed, and as a result it becomes fatal to the fetus, as well as it will cause the severe anemia, and we can say the severe anemia and the jaundice to the baby, and this is actually called the erythroblastosis fetalis. Okay, so this is actually this is actually consequence, we can say, for the Rh positive and Rh negative. So wherever we have to transmit the blood or blood transfusion, at that time we have to check the positive and negative also, Rh positive is there or Rh negative, as well as the O, AB, A and B, all the blood group we have to check, and where you have to donate and what you have to can receive it, that also we have to keep it in knowledge, as well as the Rh positive and Rh negative, that also we have to keep it in knowledge there. So in that sense we have to transmit.